Welcome to Inside the Box Racing. Today we'll be unboxing the MSZ Auto Show Collection. This first car is an Audi A7. This is a Camaro SS, Ford GT, and Lamborghini.
This is a BMW GT3. This is a Porsche 911. This is a Jeep Wrangler. And this is a Bentley.
Can you check to see if the doors open on these? Go ahead, open them. Just one of them, yeah. Nice. Open them up, keep them open. So they see that they open. Go ahead, don't worry about it. Just move to the next car. They might be too close. Very nice cars, though.
And what we're looking for next is some racing. And thank you for watching Inside the Box Racing.